Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to make a schematic like this. It's going to have a front elevation, a top elevation, and a 3D view. Okay, we're going to make something like this. Alright, so here's what we do. You're going to have to go make a brand new, and we're going to make a 2D drawing. Okay, so you're going to have something that looks a little something like this. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the sheet. Okay, well no, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to save it in your folder with your name on it as hub schematic. Okay, so, and if you don't have the hub, you can use whatever 3D part you do have. Any 3D part will work. Alright, so we're going to click on this, and we're going to edit the sheet. Okay, and this needs to be smaller than 17 by 22, so we're going to make it a size B, 11 by 17. We can print 11 by 17 on my printer, and we're going to click OK. Alright, the next thing we need to do is fill in the information over here. Okay, so you're going to click there, and you're going to double click on this, and then on this thing we want to fill it in, so you're going to click here on this guy and this guy. Let's see what it does. No? Okay, so you're going to click on this and go to properties of the drawing, and then you're going to click on this, and you're going to look around and see what you can say. So you're going to give it a title of whatever you want this thing to be called. So this is going to be my hub for car. The author is Brian Miller. The company is whatever your team name is, so on and so forth. You're going to fill all this stuff out, look around and see if there's anything over here you want to do, and then you're going to click over here. So it should, at least you need your name and what this thing is, okay? Alright, and then we're going to click OK. Alright, now next we need to actually get a drawing in here. Now we're not going to redo a drawing, we're going to just place a drawing we've already done. So we come over here to place views, we click base, and we click on this folder right there, alright, and we pick something that we want to use, okay? So, and then I place it where it goes, okay? And then it automatically gives me a top view and then a 3D view, okay? And then I right click and I say create, okay? And there they are. Okay, so next, and by the way, if you didn't get this one and this one, you can always go to projected and click on this and do another one. I'm going to hit escape and not do that. Alright, but at any rate, if you messed up. Alright, now, let's go to annotate, and we're going to add dimensions. Okay, so we'll dimension this thing. Okay, click OK. We need to tell it how big this is. Um, you can probably change like the font size and stuff if you mess around with this. Make it bigger. You probably should. Okay, so let's make it a the font. Well, whatever size. Let's make it that and see what happens. Okay, click OK. Make it easier to read. All right, so go ahead and we'll dimension many of these things as we can. So I click here. We're going to go back dimension. We're going to click there, dimension that. Okay, we probably want to do a dimension of this and this. Okay, like that. Okay. Anyway, so we're going to dimension all this thing out. Okay, and then when you have that all done, you're going to print it. So you're going to click on this, and you're going to go to print, and you're going to go to print, and you're going to choose the 4200 front. Okay, and then you're going to do properties, and you want to make sure it's the right size. So we'll say 11 by 17. Make sure it says that. Click save. No, we'll click OK, and then we're going to click OK, and we're going to print that thing. Okay, and then you're going to, when it looks good, you're going to turn that in. Very good. That's it.